Hey folks, how's it going? Yes, I'm in Coney Island today. The sun is shining. It's crazy warm. Still plenty of snow around. The boardwalk is covered. And I have the wrong shoes. Oh well. I have new boots coming tomorrow. My other ones were ruined. It's bright blue skies. The park obviously is still closed because it's still off season. Yeah. In retrospect, I'm thinking now, why did I come down here today? It was either this or Staten Island Ferry, which I still haven't done. And I said, Coney Island. Oh well. I'm gonna have a wander around here. If I find anything, I'll check back in. And I'll see you in a bit. I don't really have anything to talk about today. That's okay. I do have an idea for a video, but I'm just not sure how to articulate it and communicate it. It's basically around community and supporting each other. I have some questions maybe some people can answer. It's a video I kind of want people to see, but I just don't know if YouTube is gonna help me out with that and get it out to people. It's something that I found myself, and I basically wondered if anybody else has found it a struggle to find a community, and one in particular that you don't have to pay money for, because why should you have to pay money to go take photographs? So yeah, we'll see. Maybe I'll talk further. Maybe I'll go home and try to write down a few ideas and notes and stuff. So if not, a little POV video, some photographs. Check it out and let me know what you think. Alright, see you in a bit if I find anything. Laters. it.